All right, so let's go ahead and add an actual different icon launcher here, because this is the default one. Let's go ahead and change that and add our own. So I went ahead already and created new one. So this is what's going to look like, at least. Just as trivia. Of course, you should take more time and create a nicer icon, but this is just an example here so I can show you how to put everything together before we publish our application. So notice that in this folder that we got, I use the launch icon generator from Android Assets. You should have this page here, which is the Android Asset Studio. Android Asset Studio, like that. So as I was saying, you notice that inside of our MIP map here, where we have our icon launchers, there are two items. There is this IC launcher round and just IC launcher. The difference here is that the round has the version of a round IC icon in this case, okay? But the one we got when we create in our Android Asset Studio, it only gives us the round one. So in this case here, because I want to simplify my life, I just gonna go ahead and open the location of my project where I have the MIP map, okay? And like I said, you see that we have both round and just the square one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy everything, this MIP map there. Just do this, I'm gonna go to resources, go back like that, and paste it all. I'm gonna say replace. Very good. Now you notice we have all of that there. But one thing I want to do here, I'm going to get rid of this round XML here so that I don't end up with errors, because we don't have the round one. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete that. And let's see, make sure everything is there. Okay, everything looks good. Let me go back to our app here. You notice now things have changed because we only have our round launcher. Okay, we don't have our new one here. So if I go ahead and run this, hopefully everything is good. And notice I'm actually connected to an actual device, a physical device. You can go ahead and use Nexus Play Store, which is in this case an emulator, but I'm going to just run it on my LG Nexus device here. Let's go ahead and run. And notice we have an error. The error says inside of manifest file, we have an error which says MIP map IC launcher round. So that means we have to change that because we changed the structure here, right? Remember, we deleted the round version of the icon. Not a big deal. Let's go to our manifest here and just point this to somewhere else. It's going to be IC launcher like that. All right, let's save this and give it a run. Hopefully this time this should install. Okay, looks like it will. It's installing. In a second here we should see being launched. Very good. We have our app there. Let's just choose one. Oops. Say, oop. I guess I'm not doing well today. It doesn't matter. What really matters is that we want to go back to our app launchers here and see if we have our icon, and voila, we have our trivia icon at this point. All right, so we're able to add a new custom icon to our application.